Hello kids, today we are taking read line functions with for loop. So you know kvc.txt contains these two lines. Welcome to kvc near supply job. Now read line function will read first line only, right? So for I in read line, it will take each and every character separately in different line, right? For I in read line print I, it will take first value of line, that is w, then second value of line, that is e. In this way each and every character will be printed in separate line. Now same code is written here with read lines function. In place of read line we have taken read lines, so it will give complete both the lines in different lines. Now same code we have taken here but with split function. So what split function do? Split function will split this string into, or this string into separate strings, such as we have near supply job. So it will split this string into three strings: near, supply, job, welcome to KVUC. So for this such type of situations we will use split function. Now trying to understand this. For I in read line, it will take one line at a time, then it will split one line at a time into different words with print j statement. In this way we will have our answer: welcome to KVUC near supply job. Okay, so such type of questions are important in situations like this. Suppose we want to know how many words are there in a file. So for that we have to split the string into different string, and we can use count as a variable to count each and every word of string. Similarly, we can use a for loop with read line function in situations where we want to know how many w comes with this string. So for that we have to visit each and every character of the string like this, right? So in such type of situations we will use for loop with read functions. One more thing I want to teach you: uh, append function. As you know, append function will append the text at the end of the file. So we'll use this code to append. So we have opened text file will append mode, and we have entered the string and we have written the string into the file.